Let's take question number 1 of exercise 1.3. Make correct statement by filling symbols this and this in the following spaces. This is the symbol of proper subset. This is obviously proper subset and this is improper subset. And this is subset. Mind it. This will be used everywhere. So let's discuss this one. Proper subset यथार्थ उपसमुच्चय और अयथार्थ उपसमुच्चय कौन सा होगा इसमें ये देखना है, सही बनाना है. तो क्या किसको बोलते हैं? इफ A and B are two sets, A is here 2 3 4 and B is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So every element of this set belongs to this 2 3 4. So obviously this is a subset. सबसेट का नोटेशन दोनों में हो जाएगा क्योंकि इसका सभी एलिमेंट इसमें है. नाउ वेदर इट इज प्रॉपर सबसेट और नॉट, इफ देयर इज सम एक्स्ट्रा एलिमेंट्स, ऑब्वियसली दिस 1 and 5 आर एक्स्ट्रा एलिमेंट्स, सो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज प्रॉपर सबसेट आल्सो. सो दिस इज प्रॉपर सबसेट. बट इन दिस केस x is an equilateral triangle and x is a triangle. A triangle, this is the set of triangles. So this triangle may contain equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, scalene or isosceles triangle. So this set contains all kinds of triangle, but this is only the set of equilateral triangle. So obviously this set of equilateral triangles lies in this. ये set क्या है? समबाहु त्रिभुज का सेट है, इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल का है और ये सभी प्रकार के ट्रायंगल का है. तो ऑब्वियसली जब सभी प्रकार का है तो इसमें समबाहु भी आएगा, विषमबाहु भी आएगा, समकोण भी आएगा. तो ये इसमें तो है ही और उसके अलावा एक्स्ट्रा भी है. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल यू हैव सम एक्स्ट्रा ट्रायंगल्स आल्सो ऑफ अदर काइंड. सो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ अ proper subset. So this is also a proper subset. So what to observe in proper subset? Whether all the elements of first set belong to the second set or not, and also there is some extra element or not. If there is some extra element, then proper subset, otherwise not. Next question number 2. Examine following statements whether they are true or false. Let's see this. Every element of this set A and B obviously lies in this set, and there is some extra element also. So obviously this is a subset. And which kind of subset? Since extra element is there, so it is a kind of proper subset. But here notation is what? Does not, means not proper subset. So this is wrong. This is false. क्या दिया हुआ है कि पहले सेट का एलिमेंट्स कौन कौन है? ए बी, जो दूसरे में है ऑब्वियसली ए बी, और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा भी है यहाँ सी. इसका मतलब ये यथार्थ उपसमुच्चय है या प्रॉपर सबसेट है, लेकिन यहाँ प्रॉपर सबसेट नहीं का सिंबल है. इसका मतलब ये गलत है, फॉल्स. दूसरे में क्या है? इन सेकेंड वन, every element of this set obviously A lies in the second set. So this is a subset. And which kind of subset? If there is some extra element, then proper subset. If there is no extra element, then improper subset. Obviously here we have some extra elements, so this is a proper subset. So this is true. एक्स्ट्रा एलिमेंट है यहाँ पर, इसके अलावा, तो ये प्रॉपर सबसेट. एंड दिस इज व्हाट? this notation is belongs to. Is this set B any element of this? No, obviously. हाँ, अगर A रहता, सिर्फ अगर ऐसे रहता तब तो ये सही होता. A is an element of this. A रहता तब तो सही था. But you have set A, not A. So this set A, this whole does not belong to this set. So this is wrong. So this is false. Now let's see this question number 3. And set A is given here and we have to choose which one is incorrect. Not correct, mind it, incorrect. So watch these two. This set itself is the element of A. ये पूरा सेट ही इसका एलिमेंट है. एलिमेंट है, नॉट सबसेट है. तो इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? एलिमेंट. और इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? सेट. So here this is an element of A, and this is what? A set whose element is this. This is a set whose element lies in set A. So this is an example of proper subset because this is a set, but this is an element, not a set. since this is not a set, so this belongs to A, but it is not the proper subset of A, so this is incorrect, and you have to choose incorrect, so this is correct. You have to choose incorrect answer, so this is incorrect answer, and this is correct answer, because this is a set whose element is 3 4 which lies in set A also, so it is the proper subset. इसमें क्या है, ये सेट ही एलिमेंट है, ये सेट क्या है, एलिमेंट है, इसका सबसेट नहीं है, एलिमेंट है। लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या है, ये सेट बनाया गया है जिसका एक एलिमेंट ये है जो ए में है, तो ये सेट है, ये ऐसा सेट है जो कि ए का प्रॉपर सबसेट है, क्योंकि इसका सभी एलिमेंट इसमें और एक्स्ट्रा भी है। तो ये सही स्टेटमेंट है, ये गलत स्टेटमेंट है, और हमको गलत चुनना है, तो इसलिए ये चुनेंगे। और 1 2 3 ऑब्वियसली दिस इज अ सेट हुज 1 2 3 माइंड इट, 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, but 3 does not belong to A. This set belongs to A, but 3 alone does not belong to set A. 3 कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है, ये सेट एलिमेंट है लेकिन 3 नहीं है, इसका मतलब ये भी गलत है और हमको गलत चुनना है, तो दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. So these two are incorrect and this is correct, and we have to choose incorrect answers. Okay, this question, write following as intervals. So first you understand interval, then we will solve. These two are very easy. If you may have 4 cases. Any number may be greater than A and less than B. A से बड़ा और B से छोटा is written like this. It is x is obviously greater than A and less than B, may be equal to also. So this is the first case. X is greater than equal to A and less than equal to B. A is greater than equal to A and less than equal to B. So x lies between A and B. So we write this as x belongs to this interval. This is called closed interval. If you take end points also, then we write it by big bracket, and this is called closed interval. जब A से बड़ा है B से छोटा, obviously A से B के बीच में है, A को लेना है तो बड़ी ब्रैकेट, और B को भी लेना है तो बड़ी ब्रैकेट, और ये दोनों जो बड़ी ब्रैकेट है इसका मतलब एंड पॉइंट को भी हम लोग लिए हैं, इसको बोलते हैं क्लोज्ड इंटरवल. और अगर इक्वालिटी नहीं रहता, इफ यू डोंट फाइंड दिस इक्वालिटी साइन, then again this is from A to B but excluding these end points. A और B का तो ले ही रहे हैं but end points को छोड़कर. So if you don't take this equality sign, then you have to put small bracket or inverted bracket like this. This is called open interval. Or maybe A greater than x and less than equal to b, or maybe greater than equal to x and less than b. So there may be 4 cases. So in that case, watch it. Again, x lies between A and B. X belongs to A and B, between A and B. But here A is excluded, so you have to put a small bracket, and B is included, so you have to put big bracket. क्या करते हैं, जहाँ इक्वालिटी ना हो वहाँ छोटी ब्रैकेट या उल्टा ब्रैकेट, और अगर इक्वालिटी हो तो बड़ी ब्रैकेट. उसी तरह से इसमें भी देख सकते हैं, x belongs to, x is in between A and B but including A, so put बड़ी ब्रैकेट, big bracket, and excluding B, so small bracket. These two are called either semi open or semi closed interval. So you may have these 4 cases. So now let us solve this. This is what? X belongs to a real number, obviously between -4 and 6, and you watch it, -4 is excluding, so if you exclude then put small bracket. -4 में इक्वालिटी का साइन नहीं है तो छोटी ब्रैकेट, and this 6 is including, so big bracket. So x belongs to this interval. So this is the notation of interval. We write this as this. Or here in this case, x is in between 3 and 4, and 3 is including, so take big bracket, and 4 is also including, so take again big bracket. So this is the notation to write in interval. This is called closed interval. and this is called semi close or semi open, as you wish. So these 4 may be the cases. So according as you can solve these problems very easy. Now exercise 1.4 of NCERT book, question number 1, you have to check, you have to find union of two sets, is a set. Here x is a set, y is a set, and you have to find x union y. So union of two sets is a set whose elements are either in first or in second or in both. So simply mix them all. So you will find 1 2 3 cannot be repeated, and 5. So this is union of two sets, its elements are either in first or in second or in both. दोनों को मिला दिए तो यूनियन हो गया, और किसी भी एलिमेंट को एक से अधिक बार नहीं लिख सकते. Now in this question, A is what? Set of natural numbers which are multiple of 3. So obviously 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. And B is set of natural numbers less than 6, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So set A was natural number and also multiple of 3, that is 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. And B is what? Natural number which are less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you have to take union. So take union means mix up these. So it will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Now let's take another question, number 8. You have to find what? Which of the following pairs? Actually we have so many questions. I am discussing only one because all are similar questions. You have to test whether these two sets are disjoint or not. ये दोनों disjoint sets हैं या नहीं, यही टेस्ट करना है. तो इस सेट में कौन कौन सा एलिमेंट है? लेट्स सी दिस सेकंड वन. X is a natural number which are greater than 4. So 4, 5, 6 and less than equal to 6. So this is 4, 5, 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose this is A and this is suppose B. So can you find intersection? Obviously intersection of two sets is what? Set of common elements. So which element is common? This 4 is common to these two. So this is just this intersection of two sets, that is A and B, is a set having only one element. But what is disjoint set? Disjoint means there should not be any element in their intersection. Intersection must be an empty set, but here it is not empty set. So this is not disjoint. Disjoint कब होता है? जब दोनों में कोई एलिमेंट कॉमन ना हो, लेकिन यहाँ एक एलिमेंट कॉमन आ गया, इसका मतलब ये डिसजॉइंट नहीं है. अगर ये भी ना आता, कोई एलिमेंट कॉमन ना आता, एम्प्टी सेट आता, तब डिसजॉइंट होता है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. A is given. A is a set having elements this 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. B is also given whose elements are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. C is also given whose elements are 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 16. And D is also given whose elements are 5, 10, 15 and 20. So you have to find difference of two sets. What is difference of two sets? A and B. Obviously difference of two sets is a set whose elements are in first but not in second. So take all those elements of A which are not in A or not in B. A का वो सब elements का set जो B में ना हो, तो क्या क्या होगा? 3, 6, 9, but 12 will not be taken. Then 15, then 18 and then 21 also. So A minus B, difference of two sets is what? A set whose elements are in A but not in B. A में होगा और B में ना होगा, तो B का एलिमेंट्स हटा दीजिए A से. Similarly D minus A is a set whose elements are in D but not in A. तो D का वैसा सब एलिमेंट जो A में ना हो. A में कौन सा है? 15 है, तो इसको हटा दो, तो क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? 5, 10, 20. D का एलिमेंट वो सब एलिमेंट लेना है जो A में ना हो. Hence